Tired of fumbling for your credit card every time a new game drops? Let's ditch the hassle and connect your PayPal to your PlayStation Network for lightning-fast, secure purchases. First, power on your PlayStation console and navigate to the PlayStation Store. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. That's where we'll start. Click on it. Click on Payment Management. This is where all your payment methods are located and you can add new ones. Okay, now select Add a Payment Method. This will open up a list of available payment options. From the options displayed, choose PayPal. You'll be redirected to a secure PayPal login screen. Carefully enter your PayPal email address and password. Double check for typos to make sure you get it right. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to link your PayPal account to your PlayStation Network account. Awesome! You should now see a confirmation message saying your PayPal account is successfully linked. Now when you go to buy a game, subscription, or anything else from the PlayStation Store, PayPal will be available as a payment option. Simply select PayPal at checkout, confirm the purchase, and boom, you're all set. No more scrambling for cards, just seamless gaming goodness. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PlayStation tips and tricks. Happy gaming!